Yo, what's good, boys? My bad for the lateness of this next backtesting lecture. Just gonna be going over my thought process now on this next backtesting lecture, or not lecture. What am I saying? November backtesting session. Basically, boys, my bad for the lately I've not been posting these, but I need to be continuing to post more of them. Let's get it started now. Nice little play some brown noise. So I'm probably gonna be doing this till I'd say around 2 p.m. boys, then I'll stop it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go over my thought process on each one of these trades, and if I lose them, then I want to see why I lost them. Also, I gotta open up Forex Factory. Okay, so about 8:30 I got PMI news. 8:30 we got unemployment claims. That should bring some volatility in for a Thursday, so this should be a pretty good day to trade. If the next day's trading session isn't as good, then I'm probably just going to, like, if there's no news on Friday, then I probably will skip it. So I think we're at all-time highs here. So typically, when we see like this price action, we want to look for reversals. This, you want to look for continuations. This, we're starting to reverse off of it. Starting to fill this daily gap. Starting to respect this BISI and disrespect this SIBI. I am feeling bullish. Looking on the 4-hour, we do have a... Oh, it's the same thing. The frick am I on? It's the same thing. Okay, so on the ES, we already filled that gap. Respected the BISI. Disrespecting the SIBI. Feeling pretty bullish. So far, we have a market structure shift. Next draw on liquidity, relative equal highs. We'll mark out that high. And that high too. Okay. All right. Market open. 5:30 news was right there. 530 news manipulated, took out that low, continued off of it, continued off of PXH, technically. Yep. And a continuation on sequence right now. Let's see if we were... Gosh, dang it, bro. What the bro. Okay. Well, that's okay, boys. We just totally freaking skipped the macro. Macro did not really manipulate anything. Let's look on the 15-minute. So macro manipulated this high and started dumping very low. Looks like that the target on liquidity would be here. We had a retracement. We had a major retracement on the major retracement on the macro. Now we're kind of coming back down. Would like to see these. So we're starting to disrespect this BISI. We've respected this SIBI. Looks like 750. Okay. Starting to kind of just displace lower. We've had a major retracement. Now we're having a displacement. Kind of missed out on the move. Gosh damn it, bro. Why do I keep... Bro, oh my gosh. Okay. Well, what I would do here... I mean, it's already too late, bro. I keep... Bro. Yeah, it's already too late, boys. Yeah. So, my original move here would have been to short. See, after seeing that displacement, I would probably short. Yeah, this displacement, I would short. Probably, like, stops right here. Could short that, or I'd just short off of this. Target this. Internal low. Boom. Nice, easy play. Dude, I am kind of annoyed, but that's right. On to the next day. Flash PMI news. Flash PMI news should be pretty good. Pretty probable. News is about to happen right now. How am I feeling? We still haven't taken out these draws on liquidity. I think we're coming towards it, but looking at the daily, there's going to be reversal moves looking like it. Yeah, it's going to be like reversal type-ish moves. There's no true displacement. It's just kind of dilly-dallying up to the upside. We're at consequential encroachment. Let's see what ES wants to do. We have an SMT here. We have this, bro. Got a SMT. So we have an SMT, boys, on the daily chart. Or sorry, we have an SMT. But we're super bullish, bro. At the same time, we're like displacing higher. So I don't know if this... I don't think this SMT is going to hold. SMT might hold. But we're also at consequential encroachment of this daily gap. So we're going to have to see if price wants to move higher or not. So we did just take out this low. This is consequential encroachment. Daily CE. Daily CE. It's very important what we want to do here. If we want to reverse or not. I'm going to check what we do over here. Next draw on liquidity. Let's see. So we already took out this draw on liquidity. We already took out the draw on liquidity on ES. We're at the daily daily consequential encroachment. I'm gonna put it on 10-second. If we have PMI news right now, let's see what we want to do. If we want to stay bullish, we want to displace above this high. If we don't displace above the high, completely fine. If we get displacement here, I could probably look for a short for this CE over here. But these look like very large displacement candles to the upside. So okay, so we came into this SIBI, respected the SIBI, 15-minute SIBI with also SMT. If we do get displacement lower, okay, so this is the news candle. Kind of dilly-dallied up higher. We came into this imbalance. I want to see a little more structure of where we want to go. If this candle closes, like, market structure closes above, then I'm going to go longs. Okay. Nice little wick. Reversal wick. Still got 2 minutes into the macro before the next candle opens. Oh, in the 5-minute. So we're going to see what price wants to do. We still got 12 minutes into this macro. We have this SMT that could be potentially holding. I think this SMT is going to hold more than likely. What do I want to see? I want to see displacement to the downside if we are truly bearish. Okay. So with that being forward, I am going to attempt longs because of how much displacement that is. There's more bodies than wicks. I don't think that SMT is going to hold. And I'm going to target this internal high because it looks like ES wants to run and take it out. So I'm going to attempt a longs here for 12 points. Kind of got late into the entry. Can't lie. Displacement or stops below the low. Okay, I got completely fucked. So the move was shorts here then. Yeah. Damn it, bro. Dude, it's just like, what? So what could I have done better, bro? Oh, you know what? I could have waited for a retracement. So, I mean, instantly I just got fucking manipulated, bro. This is just unfortunate. My dumbass just entered off this displacement candle. This just doesn't even look... Okay, whatever. Calm the hell down. Yeah, I knew shorts were going to happen, bro. Why did I trade against an SMT? So, don't trade against an SMT. Wait for a rebalance. I don't know why I'm trading against an SMT. Like, dude, what am I thinking? Okay, so, yeah, just don't trade against an SMT. Don't trade. So I traded against a 15-minute SMT. I didn't really wait for a retracement. I just entered off the displacement and became freaking liquidity. It's whatever. It's not even... It doesn't mean shit. It's just back testing. This is where we learn, boys. Okay. Gonna get this into my notepad. So first of all, I messed up on trading against a freaking SMT and impulsively entering off a displacement. That's not even... Okay, just calm down. Move on to the next. Let's go to the next day. It's a freaking Friday. It's very manipulative. No news Monday. Skipping that. Consumer conference should be pretty good. 7 a.m. news. Should be a good day, actually. So it looks like we completely displaced very high. We have this daily gap here. We might want to take out this day high here. We're in a continuation sequence, so we're going to be looking for longs ideally. Market open, manipulation. Say that this is the draw on liquidity right here. Dude, there's no way we have an SMT. Dang, another SMT, bro, really? Alright, boys, so we have another SMT here. Gonna see if it holds or not. We manipulated this low. Dude, what is that? So we manipulated this high, completely just swept it. I want to see the disrespect of this PXH support. And then target this low if we do the same move again. Possible targets on liquidity. Will it be that high? There's definitely money down there. Yeah, just see, look at this nice wick. This wick retracement up. It's just very freaking bullish. I don't even know if that... Dude, I don't even know if this SMT is gonna hold. I want to see what happens though. Okay, so what am I looking at? So this is market open. We disrespected this SIBI disrespect, or BISI disrespect. Let's see if we respect this SIBI. So we disrespected the SIBI. Now we have a BISI. Okay, now we're kind of displacing lower. Displacement lower. What does that tell me? If I want to attempt shorts here, I can only target 14 points, ideally. I don't want to mess up. So what is the all-time high bias? We're into this 4-hour SIBI. Kind of displaced above it. I kind of want to wait for market open, consumer conference, home sales. I'm going to wait. Unless if we just get very nice displacement. So we retrace displacement. Very nice displacement. Let's see if the PXH holds. Okay. Okay, I think I can catch a move down here then. Short. 25 points to probably this low here. All right, I'm going to sell two because we have a SMT. I'm playing along with the manipulation, boys, so I don't really anticipate this to reverse on me. Yeah, this is a nice displacement candle. So, boys, I'm playing off of the SMT. I don't really anticipate us to go any higher. I want to see the respect of this. Put it a little lower. 37 points. Beautiful. All right, boys. So played off of the SMT. Very simple play. Played off the SMT. So there is an hourly SMT here. Yeah, this was an hourly SMT. Had a very nice, healthy reaction. I would like to see this low get swept. Nice, beautiful. W, boys. This was a Tuesday. Very probable day. Easily could have got 70 points. Freaking crazy. But I'm good off that. I think I'm good off that. Beautiful day. 36 points. It's about like 1,400. Nice. Yeah, boys. So I just waited for more displacement below PXH. So what I did, boys, basically here we had SMT. I wanted to make sure we would get full disrespect of this PXH. We displaced into it, PXH range. Well, actually, the PXH range is kind of more like right here. This displacement below PXH already told me we want to go lower. We want to seek lower prices. We retraced into here. Kind of had a retracement. So we had a manipulation. I mean, bro, if like you could have entered easily off of this displacement candle for a crazy nice RR, but I'm waiting for ultimate confirmation. This was a higher probable day. PM News literally just banged it in like 1, 2, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, yeah, boom, easy trade. Yeah, very, very nice play. I was looking for shorts on the short term. I was bullish on long term, but it just looks like we respected this 15-minute. Or is this a 1 hour? Can't tell. Or is that a daily? What is that? Yeah. So, boys, we respected this 4-hour SIBI, and we're also going to head into this daily gap here that we left. So that's why I went for short and short-term bias. We took out the draw on liquidity, which was this. Literally made back what I lost plus $500, like almost $600. So not even worried. Beautiful trade. SMT displacement. This might be PXH targeting draws on liquidity. Targeting draws on liquidity. Beautiful trade, boys. Very nice, very nice. That was a daily gap. Targeting draws on liquidity. Yeah, this is pretty clean, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Very nice day. Stops above the displacement candle wick. Very good. Very good, very good. This candle right here. Is this a 15-minute imbalance? What is this? Hourly imbalance? 4-hour imbalance? Yeah. So we started disrespecting displacement below PXH, displacement below consequential encroachment, SMT, manipulated this internal high, made it SMT, and yeah, pretty nice play, boys. Copy link. Gonna put that in the back testing session as deck 1400, 14,060. Lost about like negative, what is that? 890, 190, 890. That was uh 2022, 22 and 25. bearish, bullish. Honestly, bro, all I played off of right here was just displacement, nothing else. It was a pretty bad trade. Just pattern traded that, bro. This one was off of SMT. So SMT, Sibby disrespect, displacement, and yeah, that was pretty much it. That was a win. That was a loss. Yeah, beautiful thought process, beautiful trade. Great trade. Great trade. Great conformation. Okay. Just pattern traded. Pattern traded manipulation. Pattern traded SMT. Should have been playing. Should have traded with the market manipulation. Great traded, great confirmation, traded with the market manipulation. There's a big difference, boys. This one, I can literally just put the reason why you should trade with a manipulation. Boom. Big reason. Traded with the manipulation. Boom. Next open day. Another probable day. Unemployment claims. Chicago PMI. Core sales. Price index. Okay, so just wait for the market. So let's see, we respected this gap yesterday, and we took out the daily low. So is there SMT here? No, we both took it out. So took it out on both of these sides. Yeah. Was it turtle soup? What was it on? No. So we swept a low. We had a liquidity sweep there. Ooh, real bad, man. Okay, so we're at PXH of both these angles. Let me see how long I've been recording. Around 30 minutes. Got 30 minutes to go. 2:15. I bet I'll leave. I don't know if I would count that as a swing low. That's more of like a swing low. Like an actual draw on liquidity. So we have this SMT, and we're kind of reacting off of it. Starting to displace lower. Coming into Tuesday, let's see how we react. Let me look at the overall. So very manipulative, like I said, not very displacey, just kind of dillo-dallying. This dillo-dallying is going to mean manipulation plays are going to come into tact. So this SMT probably might hold through, actually. Can't lie. Okay, let's see how we want to do here. Is there any 15-minute manipulation? Let's just see how we play off of this. This isn't really anything. This isn't really anything at all for me. It's been taken out multiple times. So I'm just going to see how we play off of this PXH. That will determine my daily bias. Next draw on liquidity, if we're bullish, is this draw on liquidity. We also have relatively equal lows here on the 15-minute. We can manipulate those then to go higher. Let's see what price wants to do. PXH. That's another high. Price is kind of came into this gap. Gap is holding. SIBI got disrespected. SIBI disrespect. SIBI disrespect. I would like to see a continuation higher. This is PMI news candle. So we could look for an entry off of this retracement, then displacement. If we get true displacement up higher, almost like that. I'm gonna wait for retracement now. I'm not gonna just instantly enter off of that. I'm gonna wait for a nice retracement. Okay. So we have this market manipulation here. We do have this. So if this trade wants to be bearish, we should theoretically then see. So this is an SMT here. There's a baby SMT here. You could have pattern traded this shit. I'm not even gonna lie with you. Could have easily pattern traded that. I don't think this is this is just turtle soup, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. This is turtle soup. I don't think that's valid. I'm gonna count it as turtle soup, which is still manipulation, and we can still go lower if we manipulate this low and displace lower. So now it's important what happens to this general range. Are we gonna displace lower or are we gonna go higher? If we retrace, then displace higher, like I'm seeing. I'll be attempting longs. My target is gonna be that draw on liquidity. Yup. So it looks like we're respecting this Bissy range. Beautiful displacement. I'm going for longs. Stops are going to be below this displacement candle. Take profits. Where do we have it at? 1 minute Bissy. That could work. Well, boys, now that we have such a big... Well, this is Wednesday, right? Unemployment claims. Yeah, this is high probable, bro. If I want, I can. Yeah. I'll just put it like... Put it right here. Put my stop loss right here. Because if price truly isn't valid, we should not... If price truly wants to go... We have a draw on liquidity here, too. So we could get a move like that if we wanted to, but I'm looking just to be in and out 30 points max. So I'll probably just do this one. I'll try to get 30 points. But let me look on the 5 minute if there's anything. Okay. Well, we don't have any gaps. Not really any gaps. We have this 5 minute Bissy. Could target this consequential encroachment for 810 bucks. And just absolutely crush it. Call it a day. I think that's pretty fair. Okay, so we got kind of cooked here. What did I do wrong? We didn't even touch that gap. Completely pattern traded this gap. So it looks like it was just more manipulation to then go lower. To manipulate this low, news candle is going to happen pretty soon. I think we're going to have now. So there's already an SMT here. I think we're going to reverse, go even higher. Let's see. So news candle happened. This was the true draw on liquidity. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. What can I do? That's why you wait for retracement. And boys, off of this already, seeing this displacement lower, I should have just entered shorts. Targeting that draw on liquidity, or targeting this low for 48 points. Yeah, that should have been the play. Okay. Well, the reason why I lost, boys, was because we had turtle soup manipulation, displacement up higher, turtle soup, respected the BISI, displaced even higher. I got tricked into going longs. I guess price wanted to respect this. Should have had this 1 minute marked out. Yeah, market respected that also, manipulated it to then go lower. Nice draws in liquidity, yeah. Pattern traded. Okay. Well, I mean, like, boys, we see displacement, retracement, then displacement up higher, but I guess the higher time frame is just like that SMT just wants to hold. The SMT's holding. Yeah, I mean, higher time frame bias just wasn't the move. Optimal entry. Pattern traded, optimal entry. Optimal entry, optimal entry. Higher time frame bias was just, yeah, it just wasn't the best. Okay. I mean, we already manipulated this high. Why am I trying to go for anything else? We have these unopened. Already manipulated a high. So I should probably like realize that when we manipulate a high, we're gonna go for another draw on liquidity, which was this low, or this turtle fruit. So this low hanging fruit. So as we manipulated this high, respected this VISI, showed displacement, you can enter. You should have entered. This is what I'm pretty confident. This is what my mentor would do. He would enter here, right? Targeting this low for 50 points. Stops accordingly where it's at, above these highs. Boom. Your trade bangs out. The trade I should have took was this one, right? So I think I need to like really just study what I'm looking at. Manipulated and respected the SIBI. We manipulated again. We manipulated again. Manipulated and respected SIBI. Manipulated and respected SIBI there and showed displacement. Already a huge sign to short. If I had a bullish bias, I should have waited for SIBI disrespect with displacement. Okay. All right, bet. That's basically it for that one. Oh, what the fudge? Oh. Okay. Alright, so another high probable day. We got consumer conference at 7 a.m. Bro, what? I was looking at the wrong one, bro. Wait, no, I wasn't. I was looking at the right one. It was like the same day? Okay, so we got unemployment claims. 7 a.m. Chicago. PCI, core price index. All right, bet. Should be probable day. Let's go on the daily. So same dilly-dally shit. Like this, you don't like, bro. You want to be careful when you're trading into this, bro. You want to be trading in this continuation, this reversal, this reversal. Like it's just bullcrap, bro. It's the worst part about it. Like when you're trading into something like that, you're gonna have to really be able to trade well. So it looks like took the daily high out. Looks like we have a daily SMT here. We might be short, anticipating shorts possibly. Four-hour SMT here. Okay, so now we could say that we want to go short, or we want to be looking for bearish price action because we took out these relatively equal highs. So we can have a short-term short bias. Relatively equal high has been taken out. Oh, yeah, I did. How did she know? For sure. So we have 4-hour BISI or 4 hour SMT. I got it. It's 2 p.m. Chilling. Got 15 minutes left. Nah. Okay, so 4-hour SMT. I'm just gonna honestly play along with this SMT. Target any hourly lows. We took out this hourly low. This could be our next draw on liquidity. Let's see what we want to do though. No, we did not take it actually. Did we take it on ES? Gosh. So we did not take it here. We actually have a 15-minute SMT here. We have a baby 15-minute SMT. We manipulated these lows, these relatively equal lows. Ideally, I would like to take out these relatively equal highs before we go lower. Because we took these lows, we're going to either reverse or continue off of them. That's a good majority thing of what I know. So if we get a nice displacement, I want to see what we do in this gap. Okay, so it looks like SMT is starting to show displacement higher. That is a very nice displacement leg. Me personally, boys, I'm going to enter longs targeting. I'm going to enter long because that's a very nice... Bro. Going to enter longs. Shit. Why is it having me... Okay, so I'm going to enter longs off of this displacement. Probably going to enter here. Stops are going to be... I'll have them right here. I don't know why it's having my stops so little, but I guess... Take profit. Dude, what? Take profit must be above current price order for buy order. Okay, I don't know what it's doing, but I'm going to be playing off of this displacement. Alright, well, I lost that one. Ideally, I would enter shorts here. Because of the displacement. Boys, y'all think this shit would run? Okay, is it now gonna work or nah? Dude, it's not working. Like, what the fuck is this? Yo, y'all think that shit would work? Okay, I'm gonna see, bro. I'm gonna see. Hold on, I wanna see, though. So, if I were to enter short here, boys, I'm gonna see what happens. Right? So, we already took out this low. So once ES takes out that low, then I'll be out, right? TP is going to go above this stop loss. Bang, son. Oh, shoot. We got core price PCE. Okay. Well, technically, I'm going to close out because it's already been outside the macro. Technically, boys, that's where I would enter short. Dude, I just, like, gotta stop pattern trading, bro. Like, dude, what is this? Why do you think... Why the fuck... Dude. Of course, then we hit it, bro. Why the fuck am I trying to follow a... Alright. Calm down. Calm down, buddy. That's not even an SMT, bro. Boys, I keep pattern trading this, bro. Like, dude, follow the freaking higher time frame. Do not... No. Trade. Just trade. This is what I'm getting out of this, bro. Trade with higher time frame. SMT. Stop pattern trading. So I keep pattern. Okay, so one of my problems, boys, is I keep pattern. Bro, this is why you rent. Dude, this is why I got 50 points. This is exactly why I got 50 points and this trade played out. This is exactly why, bro. Because there's a higher time frame SMT. Jeez, that shit's so... Yeah, it's just... Look at this, bro. Look at this. Higher time frame SMT, major displacement to the downside. We're going to hit this. Dude, this is just like a clear draw on liquidity. Draw on liquidity. Liquidity. Clear draw on liquidity. There should be no reason that I'm going short. Bro, stop pattern trading. Pattern trading these fake 1 minute SMTs and trade with the higher time frame SMT. Look at the bigger picture. The 4 hour SMT caused major displacement, to the downside. And there is a reason why. Is because the draw on liquidity is the hourly low that was taken out. That is why the second trade played out, and your trade was patterned. Bro, this shit's like actually so annoying. Like, dude, I don't understand why I'm not just entering off of this. This is beautiful displacement. There's 4 hour major displacement, retracement, major displacement. Dude, just continuation. Ride the wave down. Why the hell am I trying to go against a 4 hour SMT with... How many points is that? I mean, 60 points, but still, like it's clear as daylights, bro. Like, bro, what am I doing? Genuinely, bro. There's a reason why displacement, retracement, displacement. Look, I entered off of PXL. Show you. Displacement. Dog. Shit would have gave you 70 points. That's a lot of freaking points, bro. Ideally, 26 points. No more than that. But, like, bro. There's just, like, no need for it, bro. Like, either here, either target here, either target here, here, or draw on liquidity at 15 minute. Like, dude, I already knew this shit was gonna do it, bro. At here, at 15 minute, at 15 minute Bissy, at 15 minute Sibby, or draw on liquidity. Okay, stop pattern trading these 1 minute SMTs. Play with the higher time frame. So main lesson, play with the higher time frame. I need to get that instilled in my head. Genuinely, bro. It's actually kind of frustrating. Just a little frustrating. Because, like, dude, let's look at this draw on liquidity. I'm not tilting, right, boys? I'm not going to tilt over backtesting. But it's just kind of frustrating that, like, I simply just... dude, I see... Oh, SMT, displacement. Oh. Like, dude, calm down, bro. Like, genuinely. I just need to calm down. Dude, at least I'm finding this out, and I realize why I lost this trade. This is exactly why people in the Discord would take this trade. This is not even a market structure shift really above this high. So there should be no reason that we're pattern trading this shit. I don't know why I even entered that, bro. Like, genuinely, bro. There was no confidence. This would give me confidence. This displacement. So many entries you could have taken here, bro. So many, bro. Genuinely, bro. Like, bro. Well, it's right. At least I learned. This is why we backtest, because we learn. So anyways, yeah, boys. Play with the higher time frame. Don't play against it. Okay. Stop. All right. Okay. So yeah, that trade would have played out. Thursday. Oh, it's a bank holiday. Obviously, we would not play that. No news Friday. No trade. Okay, so yeah. Okay, boys. So technically, already finished in analytics. Hopefully it's above. Okay, so it's about a 16% win rate, 58%. 58% win rate. Not really the best. Still profitable. Not really impressed by this performance. Ideally, not at all. Not the best, boys, but that's okay. I can do better. Alright, boys, that's going to be basically it for the whole entire session. It's been about just an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to upload this later. Big lesson: trade with higher time frame SMT. Stop pattern trading lower time frame. Lower time frame. SMTs. Always try to find a entry supporting higher time frame bias. All right, boys, I gotta go door knock. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll probably be back testing later today without recording this, but hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. I'm gonna see you on the next one. We're gonna continue to improve, baby. Let's get it.